have another DIY to share with you. The changes I'll be making are fairly simple, but they'll have a really big impact. At the moment I'm showing you what it looked like before. Very nice skirt, but very simple. So I decided to make it a bit more interesting to look at. Here's a quick look at the labels. I'm fairly sure it's a vintage skirt, judging by these. So what I'll be doing with the skirt is opening up the front two seams and sewing lacing to either side. This is what I'll be using to put the ribbon through. They're designed to be loops for button closures, but because they're elasticated, that makes it good for this project. I'll be using ribbon as well, but I didn't have it at this stage. The first thing I did was unpick the seams. I didn't film that because it's just me undoing stitching, so here we have the result of that. I tried it on quickly to make sure I was happy with the placement, which I was. I did actually have to undo one of them slightly more because it was about ½ centimetre shorter than the other one. But yeah, I was almost tempted to leave it like this. The next thing was to sew on all of the edging. Once it had all been sewn on, I trimmed off a few of the loops right at the top because I wouldn't need those to put the lacing through. And I had finally got my hands on the ribbon that I needed. I was actually able to get this through work, which was really handy. And that's also why it's on one of these big reels. Just as I was about to start putting the ribbon through the loops, I realised that they're actually way too close together. So I went down and cut off every other one, so then the spacing was much better. And then the final thing to do was lace everything up. Here is the finished skirt. In this try-on it's actually slightly off-centre, which is a bit annoying, but you get the idea. I probably won't wear it laced up all the way, but I do have the option of removing the ribbons entirely and just having it completely open. I'll probably add much shorter ribbons at the top, so I have a bow just for decoration. I hope you enjoyed the video, maybe it even gave you some inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!